Rockford homeowners understand how challenging it can be to maintain a comfortable home during the region's cold winters, warm summers, and unpredictable spring and fall weather. If your heating and cooling system seems to run non-stop, or if certain rooms feel too hot or too cold, your home's windows may be the reason. Aging, drafty, or poorly insulated windows allow significant energy loss, forcing your HVAC system to work harder and increasing your monthly utility bills. Upgrading to modern replacement windows is one of the most effective ways to improve your home's energy efficiency. Here's how new windows help Rockford homeowners enjoy better comfort and lower energy costs year-round. Reduced heat loss during Rockford's harsh winters. Winters in Rockford can be brutal, with freezing temperatures that put your home's insulation to the test. Older windows often have thin glass, worn-out seals, and frames that no longer fit tightly, allowing warm indoor air to escape. Replacement windows prevent heat loss through double or triple pane insulated glass. Argon or krypton gas fills between panes. Low-E coatings that reflect indoor heat back into your home. New, tightly sealed frames that block drafts. These modern upgrades create a stronger thermal barrier, keeping more heat inside your home and helping your furnace run far more efficiently. Better protection against summer heat and UV rays. Rockford may be known for its cold winters, but summer temperatures can climb into the high 80s or 90s. Old windows often allow heat to pour into your home, making your air conditioner work overtime. Energy-efficient replacement windows solve this by blocking solar heat gain, reducing UV rays that cause fading, keeping your home naturally cooler, stabilizing indoor temperatures even during heat waves. With new windows, Rockford homeowners enjoy cooler indoor spaces and noticeably lower air conditioning costs. Improved seals that eliminate drafts and air leaks. Drafts are one of the biggest sources of energy loss in older homes. Even small gaps around the frame allow air to enter and escape, creating hot or cold spots throughout your home. New replacement windows offer precision fit installation, advanced weather stripping, airtight seals, strong, insulated frames. This dramatically reduces drafts and helps your HVAC system maintain comfortable temperatures more efficiently. Enhanced moisture resistance protects insulation. Moisture infiltration is common with older windows, especially in Rockford's humid summers and snowy winters. When moisture gets into the window frame or wall cavity, it can damage insulation and reduce its effectiveness. With replacement windows, proper flashing, sealing, and insulated frames keep water out, protecting your home's insulation and improving energy performance. Reduced HVAC strain for long-term savings. When your windows leak air or fail to insulate properly, your furnace and air conditioner work harder to compensate. This not only increases energy bills but also shortens the lifespan of your HVAC system. New energy-efficient windows help reduce the number of heating and cooling cycles, lower energy consumption, extend the life of HVAC equipment, improve indoor temperature consistency. Rockford homeowners often see immediate improvements in both comfort and utility costs. Higher home value and better energy ratings. Today's buyers prioritize energy efficiency, especially in climates like Rockford's. Replacing old windows can significantly improve your home's resale appeal. Benefits include higher perceived value, better home energy reports, modernized curb appeal, reduced future maintenance. This makes window replacement not just a practical upgrade but a smart investment in your home's future. Final thoughts: replacement windows do far more than improve the appearance of your Rockford home. They provide powerful, long-lasting energy efficiency benefits. With improved insulation, reduced drafts, better moisture protection, and lower heating and cooling costs, new windows help keep your home comfortable in every season.